Namaste, this is Neeraj here once again from Moscow, and in today's video, instead of talking anything about economics or anything, I just wanted to talk about that how this Ganesha festival is celebrated in Moscow. So I think I'm sure you guys also would be interested in knowing about Ganesha festival in India. So anyway, everybody knows, but we are talking about how the Ganesha festival is celebrated in Moscow. So just to give you this little background about little details about the Ganesha is that what is how this Ganesha festival started. I'm sure many people would be knowing, but still just to recap in the sense just to inform people who may not be aware of what is the Ganesha festival. So basically this Lord Ganesha festival was started about 110 years before by the freedom fighter Bal Gangadhar Tilak in order to unite the Indians' print independence movement and agitation against British. So that was how. So he thought that it's when you take this puja in the public space, so mass participation of people takes place, and that is where this platform or the puja can be used to arouse or make people, Indian people aware and agitate against the Britishers, and that was the basic of this Ganesha puja. And then it became a custom, and it started going around, and it is it took a religious ritual form. So in today's this thing, if you see in Moscow also, every year this Ganesha festival is organized by Sita. So that is run by a gentleman, Mr. Sami Kotwani. So it is his passion about that bringing all the Indian culture and Indian festivals in Moscow, and that's how he beautifully is organizing. And today, what we are here after 1.5 days. Generally in Ganesha, when you bring home, so that puja is done for 1.5 days, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, or 10 days. So after that, we take this Lord Ganesha, and after 1.5 day or 3 day or 5 day or 7 day or 10 day, whichever day you have decided to do this puja. So once you bring home on the first day, and after that we immerse that idol or the god. We say goodbye or bye bye till you come back next year, and we go and immerse that idol in a river or in any water, in water source. So that is why we are today here on that boat immersion. So you can see this beautiful Moscow. We are here in the Moscow river, on the river boat cruise. We are here to immerse this Ganesha, and you look at the people. Look at how Russians are also enthusiastically participating in this. Look at this beautiful scenario of Moscow river. Now I will take you to this Ganesha idol which we are going to immerse, so you can see this boat. Yep. Ganpati, this Ganesh idols, we will be immersing into the Moscow river. So you can understand the historical, you can see the joy and atmosphere and a big music going around. This is where this idol of Ganesha we were wanting to immerse today. This is next one. So here with me is Mr. Sami Kotwani, who is not only the president of IBA, but he is the man behind all these Indian festivals and how beautifully he is doing it. So let us hear from the horse's mouth. Here is Mrs. Kotwani.
Hi everyone, I'm Sami Kotwani, Ganpati Bappa Moria. This is the sixth time we are celebrating Ganesh Utsav in Moscow. It started with an idea that, how to make all of our family members, how to show Indian culture to my children, and this is the way I started Ganesh Utsav. We have invited all the big stars like Anup Jalota, Krishnamurti, so many beautiful stars have come every year. But this time was pandemic, and the most important thing happened, we didn't know how to get Ganesha from Moscow. So one fine day, a Russian woman comes and she says she's ready to make a Ganpati. And how can somebody can say no? I said yes, and today what you see, the Russian artist has started this Ganpati from the scratch. From making the mold, making the Ganpati, decorating it. So all the Ganpatis are made by the local artists. And what is the best part of our function is Ganesha is not only the god of Indians, Russians do love Ganesha. We have more than 90% people are Russians who come to celebrate this function. And the most interesting part of our Ganesha Visarjan is Ganesha starts with a limousine. The limousine goes to the bridge from where we take this boat, and then we go out of the Moscow and we do the Visarjan. So thank you friends. Once again, Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Okay, so I will, when the immersion now very soon will take place, and I will show you the immersion.
Moria re, Bappa Moria re, 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 Moria re, Bappa Moria re.
So as we saw that what kind of festivities and what kind of atmosphere is there, and you will be surprised. Look at this. These are the ropeways. This is the Vorobyak Gorie. This is a mountain, little bit mountain near the University of Moscow, and this is that skyway or the ropeway. One can use that also to cross the river. So this is Moscow, beautiful Moscow river, and look at this kind of atmosphere of ecstasy and joy. And this is what I just wanted to share little, that how the Ganesha festival also is celebrated in Moscow. And another just one small information I wanted to give you is that along with the Ganesha festival, it is the Jain's festival also of Paryushan, which is the holiest festival of Jainism. And the last day of that festival coincides with the Ganesha's first day. So in that we ask for forgiveness. The Jains, they ask for forgiveness from all the universe, from all the living beings whom they have directly or indirectly hurt, or all organisms, small bacteria, everything, anything in the world, full universe. So this is the kind of, beautiful tradition of India, which is celebrated in Moscow. That's what just I wanted to share it with my viewers. That's it. And ciao from Moscow. Till the time, next video.